This is a step-by-step on how students access Clever. They can go to My Apps, which they can type on their browser myapplications.microsoft.com. If they're using their device, like a Chromebook or a Wimbook, it should automatically go to this site. Once they're here, they just need to click on Clever. After clicking, they will see this screen, and all they need to do is type their username, which is PSJA, and their student ID, and their password is just their student ID. The password could have changed if your student actually changed that password. Another way to get a Clever is just typing in the address bar clever.com. Once they get here, they just need to click Login as a student, and if you don't see the school name in here, just type your student campus or any campus in PSJA. I'm going to type Allen and William Arnold. As soon as you get here, it will give you to the same default location to access Clever. Once they click on there, they will be able to use their login name and their password or their Clever badge if they're in early grades and they have one. Once they're in Clever, they're able to access a lot of different products like iReady, Age of Learning, Canva, and other products that are available to them.